In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Google Calendar. Whether you're hoping to automate event creation or keep your calendars in perfect sync, this guide will walk you through each step to achieve seamless integration. First, we'll start by opening n8n. If you're new to it, simply head over to the n8n website and sign up for an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll want to either create a new workflow or open an existing one that you'd like to connect with Google Calendar. Now, within your workflow, you'll need to add a Google Calendar node. This is pivotal as it will act as the bridge between n8n and your calendar. With our Google Calendar node in place, the next step involves connecting your Google account. Click on the Connect Google Account button, and this will redirect you to a Google sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Do note that you should ensure you're logging into the account that holds the calendar you plan to manage with n8n. Once logged in, Google will prompt you to allow access for n8n. This step is crucial as it grants permission for n8n to interact with your Google Calendar. Rest assured, this authorization is safe and reversible at any time through your Google account settings. After successfully connecting your account, choose the calendar you want to work with from the available list. Then decide on the operation you wish to perform. Common choices include creating an event, updating, or fetching details from an existing event. For our example, let's proceed with creating a new event. Now that we've selected our operation, it's time to fill in the necessary details for the event you're creating. You will need to input the event title, the start and end times, descriptions, and any guests you'd like to invite. Pay special attention to the time zone settings to ensure your events are scheduled correctly. Once all the details are filled in, it's time to test our setup. The final step involves executing the node. Look for the Execute Node button, which allows you to test your configuration to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Clicking this will display the results of your operation, confirming that your n8n is now connected to your Google Calendar and the event has been successfully created. You should check your calendar to see if the event appears as planned. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've effectively linked n8n with your Google Calendar, ready to automate and streamline your event management. With this capability, you're empowered to further explore and tailor automated solutions to your workflows, enhancing productivity and saving valuable time. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.